Today I want to talk about the Sony 10 to 18 millimeter ultra wide lens. And this one is very tiny, very awesome ultra wide. 10 to 18 millimeter is 10 millimeter is equivalent to full frame 15 millimeter. So it's super wide. It's really nice. You can include a lot of stuff in the shots. You can shoot a landscape, you can shoot astrophotography, you can shoot vlog, most importantly vlog. That's why I bought this, to shoot vlog with, because I can really include the background. It's very typical vlog focal length. It's like Casey Neistat, he shot his vlog at 10 millimeter on Canon, and yeah, it's a classic vlog look. So this one also has OSS, means it helps a lot on my A6200, because A6200 doesn't have in-body image stabilization. So that's awesome. So I can shoot vlog, and I can shoot really steady footage. Actually, when you do vlog style, when it's wide angle, it doesn't really matter whether or not if it has stabilization. You can't really tell if it's it shakes or something. But what it makes a difference when you want to shoot a landscape, like when you want to pan your camera to shoot the environment and shoot B-rolls. If you don't have in-body stabilization, it's gonna be really shaky, and yeah. So I got this at a really low price at it's from second-hand market. I got a second-hand lens, because this one original price is really high. It's very highly overpriced by Sony. It's $800 original. I bought this one for only $350, which is incredible. It's a really good price, and the condition is really good. Usually you can find this on Amazon or on your local market, secondhand market. It probably costs $500, $600. It's like used. But I got this for only $350, so that's a super good price, and I'm super happy about it. But since I got this lens, I haven't shot a whole lot with this, but I did shoot some vlogs. I can show you some footage here, of course. And when you zoom in, when you zoom out to 10 millimeter, the barrel sticks out, so that's something to notice. Other than that, it's a very compact, very easy to carry. It's really small and light, and yeah, and I think it's sturdy enough. It's not super duper high quality, but it's good enough. I like it. It's smaller than I imagined. I imagined it much bigger. Also, you can use this on a full frame camera like my A7RII. I sometimes use that. You can get a also very nice look in crop mode. So there's that. So, like, my favorite APS-C lens has always been the Sony 18 to 105 lens. So it's all around very nice zoom lens for video, vlog, and travel, because the focal range is really long, covers a lot. But 18 millimeter is a little bit limited. It's too narrow for vlogging, so that's why I've been looking for a solution for this for a long time, and that's why I also got this Sigma 16mm I'm using right now on the A7RII. And then I got A7RII, and I got this lens to go with the A7RII, this Sony 24 to 240 ultra super zoom that you can zoom 10 times zoom. 24 to 240 is 10 times. So 24 is a really nice starting point for a zoom lens. I really like 24 millimeter. It's equivalent to about 16 millimeter in APS-C, in terms of APS-C. So this one, since I got this lens, I've been shooting pretty much exclusively on this lens, because when I travel, I don't bother to change lens, switch lenses. It's much easier to just use one lens. So 24 is also very nice for vlogging, so that's why I haven't used a lot of the ultra wide 10 to 18 millimeter. Yeah, but lately I just upgraded another lens here, Tamron 28 to 70 millimeter. The very critical acclaimed. How do you say that? Like, people love this lens, super popular. Everybody's saying, just buy this lens already. Don't hesitate. Don't even watch the review. Don't bother. Just buy it. It's the best value you can buy with money. 800 euros or $800. You get GM quality lens. Maybe the build quality is slightly worse, and the wide end is only 28, but it's plenty good enough actually. If you consider a lot of kit lens start from 28 to 70, so it's a very normal to start from 28. Actually, I shot vlog for a year with a Sony A7, the original one, with a kit lens 28 to 70. It didn't bother me, so I shouldn't be bothered with this by this. Yeah, so since I got this lens, I think maybe I can finally utilize the combination. If I want to shoot ultra wide, I can use the 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and the Tamron will just stay on my A7RII, and I'll use a 6300 to shoot wide shots. So these can be a very nice complement for each other. If I want to shoot really long stuff, like a really far away, I can use the 24 to 240. But right now, I think they overlap a lot, these two zoom lenses. So it's a pity, yeah. But I'm gonna use Tamron more because of the wide aperture and the minimum focus distance. It's super short. So yeah, that's a little thought on my gear. And image quality wise, the 10 to 18 millimeter, I haven't noticed much problem like it. There are people like Technology Mafia. He found that there are good copy and bad copies of this lens. So if you get a bad copy, you can notice the image quality on this lens is actually pretty bad compared to the exact same lens. But yeah, I haven't noticed any issue. I think the image out of this lens is pretty good. At least it's better than the Canon 10 to 22 millimeter on my cameras, because that one is designed for Canon APS-C lens, and the edge was all soft, and this one is sharp from corner to corner. So I'm very happy about that. So yeah, there's that. I guess that covers all. Like, I really haven't shot a lot with this lens, but I'm gonna try to use it more. Like, I have the opportunity, I have the chance to use 10 millimeter. I should feel really, privileged. It's ultra wide. All right, well, okay, that's it. I guess we can cut now. Yeah, cut it. Just stop it.